The number 30, the problem is find the average order quantity for each menu item in the last 6 months, excluding items that have not been ordered at least 10 times. The first thing we need to do is select menu ID, menu name as menu item name, and we need to round the average order quantity, and we need to put 2 as average quantity. Count the order ID as total orders. From menu, left join this. We need to left join restaurant menu details on menu ID to restaurant menu details. Then left join orders on restaurant menu details to order where order date is greater than or equal to date sub. We need to use core date and interval for 6 months. We need to group by the menu and menu name, and having count order ID is greater than or equal than 1. Let's list this first. When we click go, so here's the here's the result.